Good morning, everybody. Basically, this is just an internal video of some laboratory testing that we're doing this morning. What we have is a combustion pressure analyzer that we're setting up over here. And what we're going to be doing is testing the energy potential against hydrogen and oxygen, H2O2, against the plasma. Basically, you can see we have put up a retro heater here, which is a liquid-to-liquid heat exchanger to get everything up to operating temperature quick enough. Basically, we're going to be discovering and exploring different pressures, pressure outputs, temperatures, mixes. Right now, we're running about 28.5 volts. Our current on the cell, our input is 28 to 29 amps. Motor current or cell current is about 197, and our cell voltage is 4.3. Now we're making a log file from the beginning of the experiment to the ending of our day here, so we can kind of get timestamp nomenclature from where we're at. Basically, this is our little heating unit, and it's keeping everything nice and warm. Now, what's interesting here, you see this little amp pickup for a generator, which is basically it's like a toroid winding that you put around the cable to get amps. So we have this hooked up to our secondary line that you see here, and this is our primary line. Now we're running a 1,000,000 amp times 1,000,000 probe on it. As you can see, we have arc electrolysis. You see the little squiggly lines going across this. Basically, when it turns on, re-arcing, you can see the arc is happening all the way through. It never stops. So part of our product is being created by arc electrolysis. Part of our product is being by electrolysis. And the rest of it is by adding energy to the reaction chamber after the gas gets in there to create a plasma, which we found to be totally stable until you take the water vapor out of it, and then it's very explosive. So anyway, we're trying to get some more definitive, repeatable tests today so that we can figure out exactly where we're at and where we need to head. Basically, you can see we're only drawing about 25 amps on the charger. Now we forgive things. The biggest thing with this, you get it up to about 240 degrees, and all the solution turns into gas at one time, and then you got a runaway train. So we've got an auxiliary cooling unit with a sensor that'll kick on, a fan that can speed up as quick as I need to have speeded up. So basically, we're going to be exploring some territory that we've never explored before. So this is going to be our permanent laboratory testing thing. And all we're going to be probably changing is cell designs, lengths, clearances, stuff like that, so that we can get different blends. If you don't know, that basically we're blending hydroxy orthohydrogen, peride hydrogen, and steam to create an energy hydrogen plasma. Now, what we've done over here is we've hooked up a regulator so that we can put an exact pressure. We're going to purge everything. We're going to go, hyperphysics here and try to do a really good laboratory test. This is just basically a video record of where we're at. You can see we're just making all kinds of gas in there. We're not going to be measuring flow today. It's just so hard to find a flow device besides a gallon bottle upside down and a timer to get a really good niche of where we're at. So anyway, as soon as our esteemed CEO gets everything hooked up and everything, we're going to start testing in a minute.